Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Synthesia.io. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an AI that turns text to video in minutes right here, as you can see. And they have a sample right here. So basically, you just enter in a prompt, for example, create a video of me saying or of me writing making a speech in front of a crowd or something, and they'll actually turn it into something like this. So this is useful for marketing, sales, advertisement, and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this app is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they are reviewed 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is excellent, and they have 2K reviews. So let's actually read the reviews here. So these are the 1-star reviews, which is only about what 10% of the reviews. Mostly 75% is 5-star. So fun and engaging with takeaways. Refunded. I wasn't able to refund the software. Maybe this is a 1-star review also. I produce over for videos and I love them. Synthesia is the best AI, easy to use. The platform is user friendly. Create professional videos using AI avatars, really easy and good quality. I was blown away by the video I had Synthesia create for me. I uploaded my PP presentation. Integrated AI does great. Very comprehensive, amazing app, even those free features. So a lot of people are saying that this app is really good. However, some people said that they don't offer refunds. So basically, you might want to consider doing some research before investing in this app, since a lot of people are saying that they don't offer refunds or they don't respond. So yeah, but if you love the website or the app, you won't need a refund. So if you if you want to try it, go ahead, and it's not that expensive. So let's actually see their pricing right here. And yeah, it's just $18 per month. I recommend you start with this one and see if you like it, and don't get this one. Don't get the other plans. This is very expensive. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.